365 time here at Unique Specialty and Classics. 2004 Chevrolet Corvette Convertible, clean Carfax, no accidents indicated, confirmed actual miles. Just a little over 43,000 on this one. Magnetic red with the neutral or camel interior. Camel colored top. Take a look at the condition of this front fascia. Really the whole front of the car for that matter. That paint shows just like it's wet. And it does. It looks as good in person as it does the pictures and the videos. Of course, the LS1 V8 power underneath the hood. That's paired up with an automatic with overdrive transmission, nicely equipped with power steering, power brakes, AC. Take your time looking through the still pictures. UniqueClassicCars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description if you're seeing it on YouTube. It's going to take you right there. And of course, you can call us 507-386-1726. Riding on the polished wheels. And you can see the rotor behind there. Looks like it's new. Basically, the brakes front and rear were done, as well as an oil pan gasket less than 1,000 miles ago. Take a look down the passenger side. You can see this paint is not full of nicks, dings, scratches. It has a nice shine to it. It definitely shows well. Of course, bucket seats, center console, and this is nicely equipped in the interior here too. So you have heads-up display, of course your driver's information center, the dual electronic climate control, nicer bucket seats, power seats both sides, little chrome style bars have been added behind the seats, also good look. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. As you get a look at the paint on the tonneau cover, covering up the convertible top, nice shape, same as the trunk. In the trunk, there's a car cover. I'm going to send it with this car. Nice, like indoor soft one, and there's also the front license plate filler panel. That's in the trunk. Dual exhaust, center dump, as you can see. Once again, all the still pictures, UniqueClassicCars.com. Just click on that link down below the video in the description. It's going to take you right there. If you're into C5 Corvettes, Corvettes in general, go ahead and subscribe to our YouTube channel. You never know what you may see get uploaded. Uploads are done daily. If you like cool cars, sports cars, classics, definitely go ahead and do that. These vehicles are available to purchase when the videos are uploaded, either online or right off our showroom floor. And as you can see, the driver's side paint is nice a condition as the passenger side. Let's take a little closer look at this interior. So both stereo system, power windows, power locks, power mirrors, memory seating. We have this chrome sill plate that's been added. Nice touch. Take a look at the seating surfaces. Not full of rips, tears, holes. Just what you'd expect. Tilt column, of course, cruise control. Let's go ahead. Take a look at the exact miles. And we're going to start it up. We'll check the headlights out. All right, there's your exact miles, 43,665. Heads-up display. And no warning indicators. Service engine soon, anything like that. Top of the dash looking good. Whoops. AM, FM. CD player. Little tone loc. And there's also a changer in the trunk, down in the kind of the center compartment in the rear. Again, dual electronic climate control, active handling, and then of course the automatic with overdrive. Slip around to the back so you can hear this. No crazy exhaust, anything over the top. Good sounding vet. And remember, clean Carfax, no accidents indicated, confirmed miles. Let's take a look at the headlights. No gears grinding, anything like that when they're going up and down. Engine bay and underside of the hood, nice and clean and tidy. Doesn't look like this thing's been driven in inclement weather, which doesn't surprise me. Do have a little bit of a cold air intake aftermarket. Tastefully done, nicely done. It's one of those cars, get in, drive it, have some fun, turnkey. Your local roll-ins, cruise-ins, local shows, just out on the weekends for fun, or if it was mine, I'd drive it every day. So, good looking engine bay, clean and tidy, cold air intake. Alright, so I tell you what, let me set this camera up. I'm going to show you the top. Let's check out the condition of that. And I'll show you how it folds up. Obviously, one person can put that manual top up less than a minute. So let me get it set up, show you how that works. And there it is with the top up. As you can see, extremely easy to fold up and latch. Side glass fits nicely, nice tight fit above the windshield, and no rips, tears, holes. It doesn't really hardly show anywhere. Rear glass window, rear defrost. Come around to the passenger side. Getting side glass rolled up, nice tight fit. So top condition, just like the rest of the car. Good shape. Tell you what, I'll show you that folding back up, going into the storage compartment. 2004 Chevrolet Corvette. Convertible, clean Carfax. Stick around just a little bit longer, and I'll show you that. Plus, we're going to take it for a drive, so stay to the very end. Otherwise, call us, 507-386-1726, uniqueclassiccars.com.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and You can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
Today we're driving a 2004 Chevrolet Corvette convertible, and we do have the top down today. Odometer on this car only showing 43,633 miles currently. This is an automatic right here on the console. As with most Corvettes, excellent throttle response and acceleration, and of course handling. Our temperature gauge showing about 190. Oil PSI is about 50. Battery is charging and the fuel gauge is working, showing 3/4 of a tank. Factory tachometer, all that is working excellent. Radio sounds great. Leather bucket seats, very comfortable. Smooth ride out of this Corvette. With the top down, you may get a little bit of wind noise, but that's to be expected. That's the fun part of a convertible. Brakes are working very well. Can take a corner with a little more speed in the Corvette, as it handles very well in the corners. What a great Corvette. Easy to drive, fun to drive. 2004 Corvette. Check it out at uniqueclassiccars.com.